In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow clients to cancel or reschedule their appointments in Acuity scheduling. This feature is incredibly useful in scenarios where clients experience emergencies or a sudden change in plans and need to shift their appointment time. By enabling this option, you'll not only offer your clients greater convenience, but also streamline your scheduling process, minimizing no-shows and last-minute adjustments on your end. Let's get started by navigating to the Availability section within your Acuity scheduling account. Here we'll start by clicking on Global Scheduling Limits. It's important to ensure that you're in the General tab where you'll find the settings pertaining to your scheduling preferences. As you scroll down, you'll come across the options that allow clients to reschedule or cancel their appointments. This is the key to what we're focusing on today. Should you decide that you don't want clients to have this option, you can simply turn it off. However, for our purposes, we'll go ahead and turn it on. The next thing to consider is how far in advance you'd like to set the cutoff for making changes to appointments. The default is usually set to 12 hours before the appointment. However, depending on your needs, you might want to adjust this to 24 or even 48 hours. Doing so gives you more leeway to plan around any changes and manage your own schedule effectively. It's all about finding that balance that works best for both you and your clients, ensuring everyone has ample time to rearrange plans if necessary. Once you've determined the appropriate amount of notice for cancellation or rescheduling, you need to confirm these changes. Scroll back up and click on Save Changes to ensure all your adjustments are applied correctly. It's always good to double-check that your settings have been updated, so just give your account a quick glance over to confirm everything looks as it should, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled your clients to reschedule or cancel their appointments in Acuity scheduling. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in how seamlessly your business operations run and how satisfied your clients are with the flexibility you offer. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Whether you're new to Acuity scheduling or looking to optimize your system, enabling these features is sure to enhance your scheduling process. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video.